Ever heard of superfood sea buckthorn? Save this video for later. This vibrant orange berry, often found in Europe and Asia, packs an astonishing blend of vitamins, antioxidants, and omega-7 fatty acids. Today, we'll explore how to incorporate this superfruit into delicious juice and smoothie recipes. Let's start with a refreshing sea buckthorn juice. Simply blend 1 cup of sea buckthorn berries with 2 cups of water and a tablespoon of honey. Strain the mixture and voila! A tangy, nutritious drink perfect for a morning boost. Now, for a creamy sea buckthorn smoothie. Blend 1 cup of sea buckthorn juice, a ripe banana, half a cup of Greek yogurt, and a handful of spinach. Add a teaspoon of chia seeds for an extra health kick. Blend until smooth, and enjoy a powerhouse of nutrients in every sip. Incorporating sea buckthorn into your diet can be a game changer. Rich in vitamin C, these berries support your immune system, enhance skin health, and fight inflammation. So, why not give these recipes a try? Dive into the world of sea buckthorn today. Follow for more.